It's so that way.
Baby seal in the freezing cold ocean to make
Bibi? Bibi ah. Bibi.
Anong ulam mo? It's Saturday. What time?
45.
9:16.
Look,
Breakfast namin ni Clay dito sa labas. Maiba naman.
look.
Ha? Oo nga no. Hindi pa mainit. Where's your dice? Ang galing ni Clay gumawa ng dice sa Play-Doh. What is this?
A mosquito.
Mosquito? Mosquito? Let's go to the market later.
Ba't ako?
Eh, sama ka so that you're doing something.
we have a seal and a little stick.
Daddy, is that a CC camera?
CCTV. Ang galing
Where's the TV?
Ha?
Where's the TV?
In the cell phone. I will connect in the cell phone.
Can you watch me?
Yes, I will watch you.
You said play?
Yes. Ang galing mo
Then
naman.
you go to sleep na? I don't want to sleep.
Yes.
You call me sa video call me I in the garden.
In this next video, these
The next video?
are giving this baby seal back.
It's a baby seal.
Yeah.
Ay, busog sa mango. Dito you eat mango and apple, okay? Snack.
Ano Tagalog yung snack?
Merienda.
I want... That's my merienda.
Merienda. It's merienda.
Look, Daddy, look.
What's that? It's a dice. Ang galing ni Clay, Gumawa siya ng dice. Naisip mo pa yan, Clay?